Hey guys, we're gonna do some marshmallows. Do some marshmallows. That's some ramen soup there. Take your time and roast that marshmallow.
The whole thing on ketchup lace.
Yeah. Nice.
Watch that. Nice marshmallows. Nice marshmallow, roasting nice. Roast it again, roast it again. You gotta roast it again, more.
Wings tonight, people.
Shall I roast?
A nice little fireside.
That's what you're talking about.
Nice wings.
Coated down with a little soy sauce and some other things.
Yeah, Bushman style.
Mm-hmm.
What it goes, what it goes.
Watch how nice that looking there.
Low and slow.
Low and slow.
Like the first fish we pull
You understand?
on the deadline. So that going up on the grill one time. One time.
You put him on the grill.
What's the size of that monster?
We have lost that fish.
What's the size of that?
Nice man.
Going up on the grill one time. You don't know the fire going.
Let's trim it on.
There we go. Off with his head.
Nice. Straight out the water and straight on the grill. Nice
You could
bait
chop up
and
that
thing.
hand. You could chop up that for bait. Catch more fish.
Yeah, the remainder nothing we said.
Not now, we said. Why is it already?
Nice. Currently, how we wings looking right now?
Man on the phone, the man what? Check on the wing. Yeah, we have some sauce here. You go for that. Sauce some up, put a little. Oh, sauce, what we have this.
Nice.
We do it yardman style. Yardman style. We do it yardman style, bushman style.
Can shall we wash out the fish and stuff? Make sure it clean. Nice white filleted pieces. Look at that. Straight on the grill now.
Yeah, we go and grill them up there. As this, we now catch it there, so we can grill them up. Change some flour.
And take out the freshness.
And you see the bottle of vinegar there? Well, the vinegar is cook the fish, yeah? Season here. Something seasoning, you go put it. A splash of this and a splash of that. Do measure thing. We had the soy sauce, but we go put a little salt in it for good measure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we can mix up that. We get some ketchup there. There's a little bit of ketchup there. Right, that's good. Mix it up there. Then we just coat it with the fish. So the fish roasting, it'll get a bit of caramelization going on there on the fish with the sugar from the ketchup.
Nice.
Smell
it.
it.
Nice, man. Seasoned to perfection.
Smell like oyster sauce.
Yeah, it smells like oyster sauce.
Yeah, so that's what you want there. Ready to go on the grill.
Less than 10 minutes off the hook to be putting on the fish that we just caught.
Yeah. It's good bait here. You could feel the tip of the hook there.
After that, roast fellas, roast wings,
Nice.
naturally done. Camping vibes. The culinary quest.
Which one the fish you just now?
Fish next in line then.
Here we go. We have some
Filleted
filleted
wolfish.
wolfish. Then we're gonna put them in there. We have the coals low down on the flames.
Nice, yeah,
There we
that's
go.
it. So one time.
Sizzle, sizzle, man, nizzle. Hops bread here. Maybe drop piece of wing on it. Wing. A little ketchup. Get you a little ketchup on him. Nice. Go out in the bush. Out in the bush. And let me throw some garnish on him. Some garnish, some onions. Look at that, onions. And right there we have a sandwich.
Well, see what's going on there. Oh gosh, it's drying up nice.
Ooh, nice.
I don't know what else to say. It's just nice.
Hit them some sauce and thing.
Yeah. See it's starting to lose itself there.
Smoky flavor, boy.
Yeah.
One smoked salmon, not much smoked salmon, smoked wolfish.
Smoke wolf, smoke wolf.
We are the final product here. And you see how nice and tender it's looking. Watch out that. Lovely. Soft and nice.
Take a taste, man.
Yeah. So nice and white that meat is. Tender. Watch out that. Nice and tender and white. Cooked to perfection.